Okay everyone, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we have the iPad right here, and the topic for today is how to find out your iPad location. Now, a few things to get out of the way to begin. Well, if you don't happen to know where you are and you have your iPad in your hand, then obviously just check out the maps and see your own location, but I guess that you know where you happen to be on the map, right? So the thing only applies to the iPad within the Find My network. So what you have to do is to open up the settings and just search there the Find My. When you click on Find My, what you have to do is just to click on the first option right there and make sure that Find My iPad is turned on, as well as Find My network. Because as you can see under it, participating in Find My network lets you locate this iPad even when it's offline. And also the first one, Find My iPad, has to be turned on as default to begin with. So if you have these things turned on, you will be able to use the Find My app to actually locate your iPad. It doesn't have to be from this iPad, from the other one, from your iPhone. No matter which device you use, you will always be able to notify or find out about the specific location about your iPad from basically anywhere, right? So right now, if I open up the Find My app, you're going to be able to notice that there are items and there are devices as well. So items, these are basically just AirTags, but if I switch to devices, you're going to be able to notice that there are some devices, and actually all of them, which are on the Find My network, which have this feature enabled, and I can see exactly where they are on the map. So it's very useful. I can always just see where they happen to be. So this is very useful. This is how you can see your iPad's location. So I'm not sure what else you can mean by that, because there are also some other settings for your location. Because if you just go to the settings as you are in here and scroll down to the privacy and security, there are location services at the top, so you can of course just decide which apps have access to your iPad's location. You can also disable it entirely if you want to, but there are apps like, I don't know, like maps more specifically, or cameras, bookings, calendars. Those might have access to your iPad's location, but you can also limit it if you want to. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do with it, but essentially this is the entire stuff when it comes to your iPad's location. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, but also subscribe so you never miss future videos and tutorials like this one. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.